Welcome to the Fullshare Branch Kitchen. I'm here to share with you my hacked recipe for ramen noodles. And of course it starts with the most important ingredient, which is the ramen noodles. This is commonly found in any grocery stores. It comes with a packet which is very salty and full of MSG. And for this hacked recipe, I will not use this packet. Instead, I will show you what I use as an alternative to create healthy ramen noodles at home. The other ingredients that we need for this recipe include chicken stock. This is my homemade chicken stock, but you can also use any store-bought chicken stock, vegetable stock, or beef stock. We'll also be needing citrus. This is my juiced citrus. You can use lemon, lime, Philippine lime, or even oranges if you want. We'll also need 1 egg, a few dashes of garlic powder, a few drops of sesame oil, soy sauce or salt, and pepper. For our vegetable toppings, we can use any salad greens. In this case, I'm using my shredded Napa cabbage. I'm also adding shredded carrots, and if you like to add any other vegetables, you can do that. I'm using shredded chicken. You can also use shredded pork or beef or even tofu. To start off, heat 2 cups of your broth in a pan. As soon as it's boiling, add your ramen noodles. And let it boil for 3 minutes. Then we can add eggs. Now we can enjoy our ramen.